guys, it's Monica. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super simple and all-in-one solution to get rid of any harmful cleaners you might have in your home and replace it with something that is clean, safe, and effective. If you're new to my channel, I post new videos on peaceful parenting, healthy living, and life with little ones. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to consider doing so. And don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you never miss any helpful tips. As you know, I make a lot of my own cleaning products, but I get it. Not everybody is the DIY type, but don't you worry, I've got you covered in this video. Of course, this is so important for our health, as typical home cleaners are often full of all sorts of nasty chemicals and toxins we really don't want to be breathing in or exposing ourselves and our little ones to. When Branch Basics reached out to me, I thought, sure, I'll give it a try. I'm not sure if I will use it, but definitely can maybe see if this is a easier solution or a quicker solution for some of my viewers that maybe are not the DIY type. And you guys, this stuff did not disappoint. This is such a great idea. It is so easy to use to replace pretty much any of the cleaners you have in your home with a really simple, clean, all-in-one solution. So again, this product is Branch Basics, and it comes in a box with a bunch of empty bottles and one bottle of the concentrate. And this is the concentrate, and you use this to make all of the products just using different amounts of the concentrate. So with the concentrate, you can make an all-purpose cleaner, a bathroom cleaner, a glass cleaner, laundry soap, hand soap, and it also comes with an oxygen booster that you can use for scrubbing grout or cleaning anything that needs a little bit more of an abrasive touch to it, or as an oxygen booster in the laundry to brighten up your whites. So all you really do, and this is the all-purpose cleaner, is it comes in these bottles empty, like I said, and then you just fill it up to the little mark, and all of the bottles have a different lines of where you fill it to. So they all just have a different level of concentrate in them. But you're just gonna use a distilled water or filtered water, fill it up to the mark, and then the rest, just from like here to here, you fill up with the concentrate. And then some of them you top off with water, some of them you leave them, and that's literally it. So you just put some water, different amounts of the concentrate in, and then it makes all these different cleaners, and it's awesome and it works really well. So I have been using these now for a couple months, and I will tell you, as a busy mom and somebody who just had a third baby, it is really nice to have just a one solution to do instead of having to, build my own cleaning products with a bunch of different ingredients. Just having the one is really convenient and easy. Of course, the best part of Branch Basics is that it is a clean and safe product, and you won't have to jeopardize your health for performance. Both the concentrate and the oxygen booster score an A, the top level, from EWG, and if you're not already using EWG, it is awesome. I will put a link in the video and in the description. You can go on there, type in pretty much any cleaning product, any body care product, and it will give you a breakdown of the ingredients inside, why they might be harmful, and it will give it a score. And this is a great way to help to detox your home and get all of those nasty chemicals out, and to really know what products are safe to bring into your home. This stuff is so important, as we are literally surrounded by, unfortunately, so much junk in our environment that really does take a toll on our health. Health issues like asthma, allergies, reproductive issues with all of the endocrine disruptors, autoimmune issues, cancer. All of these things really do matter, and this stuff has an accumulative effect on our body. Of course, there are things in our environment that we cannot control. Luckily, our body has a few great detoxification systems in place if we take care of it. But if we're just piling it on and we're not really paying attention to this stuff, eventually, those mechanisms are going to break down, and we're not going to have the capacity to get rid of these things that are harming our body, and then we're going to see the effects of those things. But the most important part is that we do have control over the things that we purchase and the things that we choose to bring into our home and that we choose to spray in the air and put on our bodies. So of course, when something has an accumulative effect, you want to do the least amount possible. Companies are catching on to our desire to have cleaner products and our awareness of some of the things that might be hurting our health. But unfortunately, instead of making safer products, many companies will just use clever marketing to make you think that the product is actually a clean, natural product using something we like to call greenwashing. Slapping on a leaf and calling it green and putting green in the title and using words like all natural, which really doesn't mean much. All in an effort to make you think that the product is safer when in fact it really is still just as problematic. All of this to say, whether you make your own products or use a safe product like Brand Basics, this stuff does matter. Of course, this is even more important when it comes to the health and well-being of our little ones who have these little vulnerable developing systems, and we really want to make sure that we're providing a safe and toxin-free environment for them as well as best we can. After trying out the product for a while, I reached back out to the company and said, yes, I want to make a video about this product. I think that this could really benefit my viewers. They were so generous to provide a 15% off coupon code that I will link in the description below. But don't worry, if you've missed that one, there will still be a $10 off link as well for you to utilize anytime. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you think you're going to check out Branch Basics or if you like to do the DIY route, or maybe both like me. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.